Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to pay later on Uber Eats. So if you want to pay later, you want to use that option on Uber Eats. So what you can do, open up your Uber Eats. So open up your Uber Eats and log into your account. So for paying later, there are a couple of options that you can try to pay later. For example, like using Klarna or Afterpay or Zip. These are some of the options that you can use. So for example, what you're going to do, once you've logged in, hit on your account option here, go to your wallet, click on wallet, and then now under payment methods, hit on add payment method, and then here what you're going to do, you're going to select a pay later option. For example, depending on your location and region where you are, you'll have Klarna or Afterpay or Zip. For my location I have the Zip option. So if you have a Zip or also Klarna or Afterpay, simply select that, and then what you have to do now, just log into this your Zip account or your Klarna account. So you got to create an account and then log into it so that you can authorize it, similar to a PayPal. So for example, Zip, so just need to log in, and once you've logged in, and then once I have my account and logged in, so I'm going to select that as a payment method. So now what we can simply do is, when we check out on Uber Eats, you can simply select your pay later option, such as Klarna or Afterpay or Zip, as the payment method. So by doing so, you can pay later on Uber Eats. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.